Hello, dear friends. I'm going to give you a short piece of information about fan filter units today. Fan filter units. These are devices designed for air filtration with fans. These units are employed to ensure clean air in controlled environments by eliminating harmful airborne particles. The Alp fan filter units are designed to be mounted in the ceiling space or grid system of a suspended ceiling. These fan filter units are specifically designed for cleanroom applications where high air quality is essential. These are compact air filtering devices. They are manufactured to create suitable areas in the desired room class without the need for an air conditioning system installation. Where can fan filter units be applied? These units are utilized in aviation, aerospace, and pharmaceutical industries. Break time 0.5s, the manufacturing of biotechnology products, the medical sector, laboratories, water bottling facilities, food industry, electronics industry, chemical industry, optics industry, break time, the cosmetics industry, genetic engineering, the manufacturing of nanotechnology products, the textile sector, automotive industry, where air sterilization is crucial. Break time. One way to manipulate the environment is to monitor and control the particles present. To maintain high quality in applications, production, assembly, and analyses, created with the aim of obtaining efficient and standardized results. What is the operation of fan filters? Alp fan filter units. The air they intake from the surroundings. They return the air to the environment after passing through the pre-filter and HEPA filter. In this way, particles are eradicated and the air is cleansed. It is sterilized. With a high cycle count, the ambient air is brought to the desired clean room class for applications and manufacturing. A sterile environment is thus provided. Alp fan filter units H3, H15. The filters used in manufacturing are of class HXV, HXV, or HX7, totaling 63 characters. 3. You will be provided with certificates for leak testing when the product is received. What characteristics do Alp fan filter units have? Alp fan filter units can be used in all applications ranging from clean room class 1 to class 100,000. They are manufactured in various sizes and capacities based on your requirements, even customized for your project. Our fan filter units come with their own fans and include a pre-filter and HEPA filter compatible with recirculating systems. With these features, Alp fan filter units effectively eliminate particles from the circulating air in clean rooms with turbulent or unidirectional ventilation. They offer flexible and economical solutions. The Alp fan filter units are equipped with a built-in pre-filter, a HEPA filter, which filters airborne particles using a fan and control system to provide hygienic air. Alp fan filter units utilize high-quality filter elements, break time, high energy efficiency, break time, uniform air distribution, break time, quick and easy installation, break time, easily replaceable filter structure, break time, leak-proof assurance, break time, standalone use, break time, low operating cost, low energy consumption, break time, silent functioning, break time. There are several optional accessories available to guarantee safe operation, providing a wide range of choices. If you require fan filter units made completely from stainless materials, which have been overlooked through special techniques. Filter your air to make it sterile. If you need fan filter units for your requirements, you can reach us at our phone number 0212 503 35 36 or through our WhatsApp line at 0554 959 3808.